Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kashari kala aipor hadu Sngi ya ki Pulit pen perlong ke jing Tohkit persya Commandant jong ke kenhun Pulit SF10 ubak Gabriel ke Ïangrai ulah syakem ha ka arterik unai weng arjar apuar ha ka kenhun Crime Investigation Department halor ke jing keno budon kti pen penan kam beklai ke pisah ke bedai bat ke jing sna ya ke National Emergency Response System Public Safety Answering Point ha Sadar Police Station Complex ya ubak Ïangrai Lara bantian bishar hayeng Kashari ha kesantrik nai weng arajar apuar hadin bela pelaj EU na Shillong Civil Hospital.
Keeping me safe from the vultures and growth on also today's morning. And one more thing I want to ask, please
open the door. Corruption. Is there any other officials involved?
see inside there. Let so now let I believe in the process of law. The process of law, and media please do not continue for trial. Please stop for this.
The SIT team asked for 7 days of police custody, and we have objected to that one. However, for the interest of the case, the court has given 7 days of police custody, and he will be produced on the 12th of November. And the court has directed the IO to ensure the safety of Mr. Ïangrai with regard to his health and his medication, and has been directed to produce for medical checkup every 48 hours. So right as of now, that is the thing. So he has been given 7 days of police custody. Yes, we have objected strongly to the police custody, saying owing to his health and because the interrogation can be done in judicial custody as well. However, the court declined to accept our objections and says that this is a period of investigation because IO's prayer has been accepted. Next move, you see, police custody is going on now. We think that let the investigation be carried out properly, and thereafter we will see his new course of action. Probably on 14th we will put his bail application.